Hey lovelies, it's Ebony and I'm back with my final holiday look video for you guys. I must say this was a very fun experience for me. I don't normally do styles with my curly hair, like I've said in previous videos, but this really pushed me outside my comfort zone and I'm really happy with the results of these 4 videos. I learned that I like more styles than I thought I did, and I also learned that not everything that I plan in my head can come to fruition on my head. Sometimes my hair is just too much to deal with, so I just have to keep it moving before I get frustrated and just do something that will work a little bit more with my hair. Now just give you guys a little bit of info about this style. This is a 4-day-old wash and go. In the video it does not look like a 4-day-old wash and go, and that's because I kept my hair up in a bun for the past 3 days. I just didn't feel like dealing with my curls all over my head, and I knew I had this video to make and I wanted my curls to be nice and flexible. Older hair, it tends to get more frizzy and more tangled, but you know, when you kind of keep the curls intact and put away, they're a lot more easy to move around and get the results that you want. So don't get discouraged if your 4-day-old wash and go does not look like mine. Trust me, mine doesn't normally look like that. I just had it in a bun for 3 days. Now the products that I use on that wash and go were all Plentiful products. Just like in my previous videos that you guys have seen, I did my wash and go using the co-wash, the deep conditioner, and then of course their styling cream with Eco Style Gel on top. And of course all that helped to keep my curls nice and tight and popping for as long as possible. I got the defined wash and go that I normally get. If you guys want to get some products for yourselves, go ahead and visit IamPlentiful.com. Use my discount code Ebony, EBONY in all caps, to get 50% off your order, even the product bundles. Now let's get into the style. If you like what you see, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Notification gang, let me see you in the comments. If you aren't part of the notification gang, I advise you to join. Hello, you guys wanna make sure you know when I am posting a video. So go ahead and click that bell. And as always, thanks for watching.